Okay, now I've finished the TS250. It's a 74, 75. It's got a TM front guard and custom made expansion chamber. I still need to find some rear shocks. These ones have got no dampening left. This bike's actually pretty small. I'm 6'4" and under 80 kilos, so handles alright with me, but it's just a little bit small. I'm not very impressed with the front forks either. It's not enough travel for a motocross bike or trail bike. Anyway. I painted the motor black because it was originally silver. This is a DR200 Kickstarter for 4-stroke. It's actually a 19mm kickstart shaft. It built up that boss there, it didn't have that. This is all weld, and then I split that and drilled and tapped it. And then, so now it's got the folding kickstart instead of the big solid metal bar one the TS has. And the expansion chamber and muffler is all made by me. That's actually a toilet ball cock, and it's packed with Scotch-Brites. It's actually really efficient. I didn't do a very good job on the seat. That's a TM seat cover with a custom made seat base I made. That's an RM250 rear guard of a late 70s. It's got also a DR200 rear sprocket. Could actually do with being geared down more. It's a 48 tooth, and it's converted from a 525 chain to a 520 because 525 is a stupid size, and also it doesn't need a big heavy chain like this on a little bike. And I made the side panels. This one is not the best, they just held them with cable ties, but they're pretty solid. The front chain guard was missing, so I made this one out of a bit of alloy. That's a TF125 gear change lever. It's just a really common thing and easy to find. They're brake springs. I need to get some silicone, but because of the lockdown I can't get anything like that, so it's leaking a bit, so I need to silicone that up. And they're custom made TM decals. This cap's a real bugger, just the vibration makes it come open really easily. This bike, it's got a 21-inch front wheel. Usually they have an 18, or an 18 or a 19, but that's really good having a 21. And I made the number boards. They're just bits of steel. I still need to get a kill switch button. I've just got a wire. These footrests are made by me too. They're just a bent piece of steel welded onto the box section, and then I slotted it with a hacksaw and a file. I actually used the angle grinder.